What happened? The Malungay background changed. Find out. Maybe you've seen this before in our ginataang manok, di ba? Kumain ako. We gathered or we harvested malunggay. And there's also a lake at the back. Tingnan nyo, ipakita ko yung lake. At ang bahay na iba, lumaki. At gumanda. Yan. Thank you for joining me today, and during our stay here in this part of the world, we'll be gardening, we'll be cooking, and of course, we'll be doing more travel vlogs for our Mi Barrio, Mi Mundo. Abangan, your Kuya Uncle here, from the big US of A. Thank you for joining me today, and for gardening and cooking videos, follow me at channel 1, but for travel and the beauty of the places, it's Mi Barrio, Mi Mundo. Abangan ang ating the orchid show at the SeaWorld and more as we bring you more updates from Mi Barrio, Mi Mundo and from channel 1. Good night or good evening, whatever your time in the world. Hanggang sa muli, Diyos ay pati.